Guys, I'm at work the other day and I saw some Jamaicans. It was so refreshing. They're students, that work and travel program. Yeah, man. So I thought I would do something nice for them. So I baked some banana bread. And I'm going to take it to work tonight for them. Not every Jamaican eat from people. I don't know that. So before me give them a nice banana bread with all of me expensive ingredients, me will make sure say me want them off. Listen, if they no want if you eat, then no fi take it. But overall I think it's a nice gesture, and I'm looking forward to just see their reaction. They look really good. Well, one is for home and the round one I'm going to bring it in. It looks really good, so I hope they'll accept it. And if even one accept it, I'll be okay with it, because I'll take it back home and eat it. Guys, so my ear tie up and I'm ready for jumping out of bed at 11:26 a.m. So I have to get some sleep to go back in tonight. So yeah, that's where it's at. Yeah. Let us see their reaction later. Hey guys, so this is our banana bread in another pan. Looks a little dark, it's okay. So guys, this is the same recipe I made. I'll share the link. The only difference, I just put some raisins in this one, but the walnuts, everything is the same. So I think it is 5 of them. That's 1, 2. Guys, I can imagine, I'm a mother, and I can imagine my son being out of Jamaica in a foreign country and not have any support. So as I said, when I saw them, I was very elated. I was actually excited to see them, and they're so vibrant, they're so full of life, and they're so ambitious. I'm gonna share a link in the description below of a channel that Kayla has. She is an amazing young woman, and she has so many prospects for the future. Please check her out and show her. So yeah guys, just gonna put them in foil. I'm gonna taste it first, of course. They're very ambitious. I'm believing it is tasty. Yeah, that's how I'm gonna do it. It's a little gift in foil paper. See, 6 of them. 1, 2. I hope that they're not more. But I cut them up and put them in little packaging. But guys, I have to taste this before me give them, because we Jamaicans, we are gonna tell it like it is. But I want them to enjoy what they're eating, so I'm gonna taste it first. See if it's worthy. I love it. So guys, I think they will love it. It's homemade. It's flavorful. It has texture from the nuts. And the raisin just give it a little pop that I love. So I think they'll love it. I love it. And I'm very picky. Okay guys, I just reached work. Here's my little bag. Trader Joe's bag. That's where I have the stuff. So I haven't seen them yet, but I'll give it to them around break time or lunchtime.
Everybody uses on this show. I can't.
No, we know so much on
So guys, these are the two. Look how they're pretty.
I should have extra.
Alright guys, we'll hold this. Look, banana. Red pudding. Only eat less.
You done in it already?
Oh, it is. I put it into the.
Yeah.
Oh, it is.
Yes, that's all.
Alright. Good. Good.